Hello YouTube, Daniel here. Just wanted to go through a small tool haul I picked up. He gave me a not bad deal. Alright, first off, Professional Series. This is one of our fine Canadian Mastercraft wrenches. Nice long one. 5/16. I found an SK socket, 5/16, quarter drive, not bad shape. This is an oddball. I don't even know why I bought this. I just fucking bought it for shits and giggles. See if you guys have ever heard of this one. Mustang, 7/16. Can't see the part number too well. What was that? MT1244, I think. Yeah, I guess what it looks like. Focus, you fuck. In any case, we're just gonna get through this quick. We come across a 12-point socket, and if you can see it, oh yeah, that's a herbrand. I got enough of these fucking things. I don't even know why I grabbed it. It's got the screwdriver slot hole. But now we're gonna get into some of the better stuff I got. We'll do these couple here first. 13 mil Mastercraft. It's one of the new fucking Chinesium, but it's what you would consider mid-depth. Price is right. Another herbrand socket. Oh, the chrome's kind of peeling on it, but we might use that one for a test. And this here, which I thought was something else, but in looking at it, it does say Craftsman on it. And she's an early one. Alright, now to get some of the better stuff. Snap-on socket. 7/8. There's a square. 1960. Snap-on socket. 13/16 with the 4. Come on, focus. Not focusing with her shit today. Take my word for it. It is a 4. Same thing here. Snap on. Ah, you son of a bitch. Again, it's at 24 with no tail. That was 11/16. And this one here is the 5/8. Snap on. 6-point. Now this one here, this one's a little more interesting. Come on now, focus, you fuck. This one's an early one. Come on. I don't know if you can see that or not. Oh, there it is. That is a 6. Look at that script. That's 1946. 12-point. The thing looks good as the day you bought it. Probably strong too. And then, oh, Then we got this. From 7/16, I think that is, to 1/4 inch. 6-point. They gave me a good deal on everything. It was $66. But the only thing though, had I looked a little closer. Oh, that's the right one. It's this one. It's the wrong one. This K Wayne. That's 15 mil. I go back over and complain to him. Maybe get a little bit off. But that's okay. I couldn't even buy this socket set for $60. Alright, in any case, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by, say hello. Dan out.